This is the captain speaking. Dear Harry, Joe, and all of you other spoiled sick asses that had called on the assassination of a high-profile political figure on social media, those that allowed it to happen, and to those that have supported that action since then. Bitch, you missed. But that's only half of the story. Because you didn't miss. Read this out loud. James Copenhaver, 74 years old, in critical condition. David Dutch, 57 years old, in critical condition. And Corey Comparatori, 50 years old, deceased. You murdered a civilian and harmed other civilians in your sick-ass temper tantrums and twisted words. You don't get to backpedal on this one. Their names should haunt you for the rest of your lives, and you should receive the same fate as they got over your disgusting power-hungry game. Do with that what you will.